Well, a group of civil society organization is now asking IEBC to bar at least 25 politicians from running for office in the August general election. The politicians drawn from both sides of the political divide have either been investigated or charged with various offences in court. The list includes Kenya Kwanza presidential running mate Rigathi Gachagua and former Nairobi Governor Mike Sonko, among other prominent political figures. But as Naoma Sampao reports, courts have held in the past that such individuals can only be barred if they have exhausted all other legal options.
With less than 8 days to the general election, the civil society groups are issuing what they call a red card against the politicians who they say should be barred from running for political office in August.
With the 9th August 2022 general elections drawing closer, we note that various political formations have nominated candidates to vie for elective seats, and various individuals have also presented themselves to contest as independent candidates. Regrettably, a number of these political aspirants have tainted integrity.
The statement comes amid a growing debate in the country about whether corruption should be an election issue, as politicians trade accusations about which side is best suited to fight the vice. But the list of 25 reads like the who is who on either side of the political divide, with notable names that currently anchor the Kenya Kwanza and Azimio la Umoja campaigns. Kenya Kwanza presidential running mate Rigathi Gachagua is named on the list over a court case in which he is accused of conspiracy to defraud Nyeri County. Also on the list is Mike Sonko, who was impeached as governor of Nairobi County and who has lately entered the Mombasa gubernatorial race on a Wiper ticket. Sonko has, among other things, been accused of influencing the award of tenders in his tenure as the governor of Nairobi, including an award of a Kenya pipeline company for a 1.35 billion kickback. Others are Malindi gubernatorial aspirant Aisha Jumwa, Kirinyaga Governor Anne Waiguru, Embakasi East parliamentary aspirant Babu Owino, Senator Cleophas Malala, who is seeking to be the governor of Kakamega, former Nairobi Governor Evans Kidero, who has since moved to Homa Bay, former KEMSA board chair Kembi Gitura, Azimio la Umoja gubernatorial running mate in Nairobi Philip Kaloki, and legislator Oscar Sudi and Nandi Senator Samson Cherargei, both of UDA, among others. The Director of Public Prosecutions and the EACC have complained that most of the politicians they flag in every election end up on the ballot, owing to weak enforcement of Chapter 6 of the Constitution, which requires public officers to hold high integrity. Just yesterday, the IEBC told NTV that impeached governors would not be cleared to run in the August polls.
A person who is dismissed or otherwise removed from office for contravention of the provisions of Chapter 6 is disqualified from holding any other state office.
The lobby that includes Transparency International, the Kenya Human Rights Commission, Mzalendo Trust, among others, released a similar list in the run-up to the 2017 general election, but none of the politicians was barred from running. They want it done this time.
We call on electoral vetting institutions to exercise their mandates and bar all corrupt and unethical aspirants from vying in the elections.
The question of barring suspects from running for elective office was put to test in the run-up to the 2013 general election, when the current president, Uhuru Kenyatta, and his deputy, William Ruto, were facing charges at the International Criminal Court. The High Court ruled then that the duo could not be barred from standing for election since they had not exhausted all their legal options for appeal. That remains the standard to date, and legal analysts say the so-called red card may not hold water unless that court decision is overturned. Naoma Sampao, NTV.